In this video, we are going to see how to generate a QR code for your project and how to set it up on site. Start by logging into the Gamma AR portal and select your project. Open the QR code section and click on Generate. Choose the numbers of codes you want and press Submit. The codes will be downloaded to your device. It is required to print the pages at 100% scale. Place your printed code on a flat surface in your building and make sure it is not going to move. To set it up, you first need to align the model manually. If you don't know how to do that, watch our Positioning on Walls or Columns tutorial, or find the video suited to your specific case on our Positioning tutorial series. Then, open the hamburger menu to register the QR code. Point towards it, and click on the cloud to register the alignment. This model can now be aligned directly using this code.